Why is it when famous people break up, the ones who involve the police end up in court and create a media circus? Watch this video to find out some Zimbabwean celebrities who went down this way and how it ended. The breakup of Shashl and Levels tops the list as they ended up in court because there were nudes involved. It is alleged that DJ Levels leaked the nude photos as well as a sex tape, claiming that his phone had been stolen. Many people just reasoned it was a case of kuramba. The matter went before the court of law, but nothing much came out of it. It seems like they agreed on an out-of-court settlement. The comic pastor named Prosper Ngomashi is also another one who found himself having to go before the Epworth Magistrate Court in 2023 to face a charge of domestic violence. His ex-wife Mnyarazi Maruva had laid a gender-based violence complaint against him, but the comic pastor was found not guilty due to a lack of evidence. DJ Fantan and his ex-wife Gamchirai is also another pair that went down this way. Gamchirai had laid complaints with the police that DJ Fantan was physically abusing her. The matter went before the Mbare Magistrates Court and DJ Fantan denied the accusations, but later on Gamchirai went on to withdraw the charges. This wasn't the first, neither was it the last. These two have frequented the courts in the past few years, including child custody battles. In 2022, musician Stana had to appear in court facing allegations of assault against his ex-wife Dyonne. In a widely shared video on social media, Stana was seen to have been in a hot altercation with his ex-wife Dyonne, and this landed him in court being accused of gender-based violence. Upon appearing in court, the magistrate ruled that it was just a case of a relationship that had turned sour and there was actually not enough evidence to prove that Stana had assaulted his wife. Anita Jackson's relationship with Kruger was a closely guarded secret that became public knowledge in 2022 after Anita took Kruger to court for assault. Anita and Kruger had been dating for 2 years but living together for 1 year. Things turned sour because Kruger claims there was a man who was sending Anita money behind his back. About the assault, Kruger claims that Anita attacked him first, which landed him in court. To resolve the matter, the magistrate gave Anita a reciprocal protection order. 2022 was quite the year for my titi. Her marriage to Tinashe maphosa yakasumudza mhepo dzakawanda. She had to appear in court for threatening to beat up Tinashe's alleged girlfriend Tinashe Nzenza. Tinashe maphosa followed up with a defamation of character lawsuit and he was suing her for over $250,000. This was just the beginning of her legal troubles. Of all the people on this video, she's the only one that actually went to jail in connection to a love affair. In 2021, hip-hop artist T-Gonzi was dragged to court by his ex-wife Esther Tendere for assaulting her. He allegedly assaulted her for disrespect and kupopota phone. The matter was taken before the magistrate's court, but it was withdrawn after the wife said she wanted to withdraw the charges as he had apologized and was also taking very good care of their son.